thieves. Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, smoky and tender smoked chicken recipe at home. This recipe is super easy to make and it's perfect for any occasion. The chicken is so juicy and succulent and the smoky flavor is just incredible. You will love it. Let's get started. First, grab a whole chicken. The size of the chicken should be about 1.5 to 2 kilograms. Pat it dry with some paper towels. Then coat it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now in a small bowl, mix together 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, holiday. You can also add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for a sweet and smoky flavor. Rub the spices evenly on the chicken, inside the cavity, and on top, make sure it's coated well for maximum flavor. Next, we need to prepare our smoker. Preheat it to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 120 degrees Celsius. Add some soaked wood chips to the smoker. This will give the chicken a rich, smoky flavor. We're going to smoke the chicken breast side up on the grill rack. Cook it low and slow for about 3 to 4 hours, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 74 degrees Celsius. Every hour, add some more wood chips to maintain the smoke. While the chicken is smoking, it's a good idea to keep adding wood chips every hour to ensure a continuous smoke. This will help you achieve that delicious smoky flavor. Once the chicken is done, remove it from the grill and let it rest for about 10 minutes before carving. This will allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful chicken. And finally, carve the chicken and serve it with lemon wedges and fresh herbs. The smoky, juicy and flavorful chicken is now ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Now give this recipe a try at home, and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Happy cooking!